My name is Katie So, and I'm an ELT consultant. Today we're going to talk about classroom activities for early literacy skills. Are you ready? I'm going to introduce 10 activities today. So we are very busy today. Let's start. Before starting, we're going to do a warm-up, which is called voice sound. You're going to make some sound with your voice. How? Like this. So imagine that you have a ball. You're going to make your voice bounce like a ball. Imagine that you bounce the ball. Boing, boing, boing. Can you try it? Okay, make a ball and boing, 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 boing. Right. The second one, you're going to make your voice go down a slide. You know the slide, right? You're on the top of the slide, so you're going down the slide. And you're going to make the sound. Whee! Let's try it with your body. Ready? Set, go. Whee! Very good. Okay, this time you're going to be a snake. You're going to hiss like a snake. Let's make a sound. But it's better when you use your body. Are you ready? Make a snake, then make the voice. Very good. This is the next one. Gently moo like a cow. Can you see the cow here? What sound does cow make? Moo, right. Okay, so moo, but very gently. Moo. One more time. Moo. Very good. Oh, look at these pictures. They are very disappointed. So you're making sound very disappointed. Okay? Make your face first. Make your face very disappointed. Then you're going to make the sound. Oh, ready? Oh, good job. Wow, look at those pictures. Can you see the baby and the people and the cat? They look astonished. So we're making the sound, oh, with this facial expression. Ready? Oh, great. Ooh, look at those trains. This time, you're going to be a train. What kind of train? Steam train. So you're making the sound. You ready? Ready, set, go. Great. Next one. You are a clock. You are a clock. Can you make a clock with your hands? Okay, we're going to say tick tock. Tick tock, tick tock. Or you can make your sound like this. Let's try it together. Can you do it? Ready, set, go. Great. Okay. Oh, this time you are a bumblebee. So you're going to buzz. Buzz like a bumblebee. Ready? You're a very tiny bumblebee. Ready, set, go. Buzz. One more time. You're going to fly, okay? Buzz. Great job. Ooh. This time, keep everyone quiet. Shh. Then, let's start. Please sit down, sit down. Okay, so this is a warm-up that you can use in your class before starting your class. Let's move on to the second one. This is body letter. Letter recognition is really important, but actually that's very hard because students, they have to know the letter, the name of the letter, and the shape and the sound. So it's very, very difficult. But you can do all this in one activity. Okay, so you're going to show letter cards. I have some letter cards like this. A. I have B. I have W and P. Imagine that you are the letters, okay? So you are, if you are uppercase, big letter, you stand up. But if you are small letter, the lowercase, you sit down. Upper letter, uppercase, lowercase. Uppercase, lowercase. Stand up, sit down. You have to practice this stand up and sitting down with your student. Okay. Then students have to stand up and say the letter name. Look at this. What is this? I hold up B. This is big letter B. So what the students have to do is stand up, right? Then they have to say the letter name. B. And the sound. What sound does B make? B, 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 right? So let's try with different card. I show you K, but this is small letter. Then they have to sit down and say K, 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 like this. Okay, let's practice one more time with G. What is this? Big G or small G? This is small G. Oh, no, sorry, big G. Then students have to stand up and say G. And what sound does G make? G, 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 right? Okay, so you can do what these, all different these cards, letter cards. Okay, next one. This is sit or stand. Sit or stand. For students, knowing the sound, the beginning sound and ending sound is very important. So you're going to say 2 words. The students have to listen very, very carefully. When those 2 letters, the beginning sound of the 2 letters are the same, they stand up. But if the beginning sounds are not the same, they sit down. Okay, let's try. I say cat and cow. What are the beginning sounds of those 2 words? K, k, right? K, cat, k, cow. So these are the same, then student, stand up. But if they have they have different sounds like this. Hat and goat, hat and goat, and g sound. They're different. What do they have to do? Sit down. So it's better to prepare the sheets of paper with a lot of words listing, okay? And you hold it and you say the words. Let's try one more time. Hop, lip, hop, lip. What do the students have to do? That's right, they have to sit down because hop, H, start with H, sound. The lip, L sound. They are different. When the students are very good with this, then you can change the beginning sound to ending sound. It's a lot difficult. So it's like this. Bat, bat, man, man. What's the ending sound of bat? B, e, t, t, right? How about man? M, e, m, t, and m. Are they the same? No, they're not the same. So that's why students sit down, okay? All right. Next one is alphabet arc. For this activity, you need a little bit of preparation. You need all the letters like this. I print them out and laminate it. All the small letters like this. And we're going to make an arc. You know the arc, okay? But here, you should give some hints. Like the first and the last letter, A and Z. And the middle letters, like M and N. Okay? This time, you give all the letters, the 24 letters, to students. Spread them out. And then students come here to put all the letters here. Like, I say, whoa, let's start. A. What comes next? And the student with B, let's see B. The student with B comes to the front and they stick B to the board like this. So we make all the letters here. Let me just try. Let's see. I keep asking questions like, what comes next to B? Did you say A, B? Everybody says C. So the student who has C comes to the front and puts C. And D, what comes next? Oh, yeah, the E. F, and then you check. A, B, C, D, E, F. Right. G, who has G? Here. And then, what comes next? H, right, H. And then, right, I, N, oh, J, K, oops, K, L, M, N, O, P, and Q, R, S, T, U, V, and what are the last three letters before Z? V, W, right? X, Y. Okay? So you made an arc like this. So the first thing that you have to do with your students is build the arc. Like this. You don't do the work, student do the work, okay? You give the letters and student come to the front and put all the letters in order. And the second one, you're going to point and read with your students. Okay, let's read it together. Ready, set, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Perfect. That was easy, right? But this time you're going to read it backward. That was forward. This time we're going to read it backward. How? We're starting here from Z. You ready? Ready, set, go. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R. What's this? Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Perfect. So you don't read it. You read it with your students. I mean, mostly your students have to read. Okay. Now, they all know these alphabet letters. What you have to do is switch some letters. Help them close their eyes. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Don't peek. And then you take out one letter from this side and one letter from this side and switch. Okay, like this. Then you say, oh, open your eyes. 2 letters are switched. Can you find them? And students, they find those 2 letters. Q, that's right. What else? O, F. Perfect. So they put these letters back. Okay, good job. That was alphabet arc. Easy, right? Okay, let's try the next one. I love this one because it's very exciting. You know the song, Who Let the Dogs Out? Who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woof. Who let the dogs out? Woof, woof, woof. You're going to sing the song with your students, but you're going to study the letters and the sound. So you're going to say, get ready for the sound train. This is sound train, okay? Get ready for the sound train. And then the students say, choo, choo. Get ready for the sound train. Choo, choo. Get ready for the sound train. Choo, choo. Then you start. Here we go. Everybody says, here we go. And you say, who knows the alphabet? And students say, I know, I know. Who knows the alphabet? I know, I know. Who knows the letter C? K, 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 k. Who knows the letter B? B, 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 b. Who knows the letter G? G, 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 g. Who knows the letter P? P, 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 p. Like this. So students love to sing the song. Who knows the letter? And very easy, but you can check if they know the sound of the letters or not. All right, the next activity is read and sit. You need chairs, at least 2. If you want more, you can put 4 different chairs. Imagine that in your class you taught S and T sound. So students learn words starting with S and T, like snake, sun, strawberry, tiger, tent, truck. Now they know how to tell, now they know different sounds of S and T. So make 2 teams here and then line them up. Students have to listen very carefully of what you say. You're going to say sun. Then it starts with S, right? S. So students read or listen very carefully and sit on the S chair. Okay. The next student comes up and then you say tent. Then the students, they have to go and sit on the chair with letter T. Okay. But sometimes for safety, it's better to put 2 chairs for one team and 2 chairs for another team, like ST, ST. So anyone from each student from each team can sit on their own chair. Okay. Next one is read and go. You need a lot of flashcards. And this is really good for memorizing the words. So imagine that you taught different animals like this. So students now study. Students now learn cat, dog, beetle, turtle, spider, snail, lizard, parrot. They all know these letters. And then you're going to check how well the students can say these words. So it's review game, okay? Make 2 teams, and then one team stand here, lining up, and the other team standing here, lining up. And then when you say start, the first student of each team, they start reading like this. Parrot, lizard, snail, spider. And he will say like cat, dog, beetle, turtle. And then maybe we're meeting in the middle of those classroom, right? And then we do rock, scissors, paper. Okay? And then if I lose, I go to my team, but the back of the team. And then the next student start from the very beginning. But the students who won the game, won the rock, scissors, paper, he keeps going, okay? So maybe we're meeting around here and do the rock, scissors, paper again. And then the winner keeps going, but the loser changed the player, okay? So this is the review game that you can use some words that you taught in your class. This is telephone game. You're going to divide students into small groups. Or you can just assign students like A, B, A, B, A, B, and pair them up. You're going to say 4 words, okay? And then students have to guess what number you're telling, okay? Let me say fit, eat, since, sit. Fit, eat, since, sit. What number did I tell? I said 2, 4, 7, 9. Okay, now students know how to play. So A, write number, 4-digit number. B, write 4-digit number. And they don't show their numbers to each other. And A starts saying the words. And then B has to guess one number A said. Okay? And if you think your students are better than that, you can tell them, think about 7-digit number or 11-digit numbers. Okay? You can always change the number of the words. Okay. Next one is sight word high five. We always say that sight word is really important. But we don't know how to teach sight words. But exposure is the answer. You always show them sight words and ask them to read. So this is how I use in my class. I draw my hand and cut them out and laminate. I make like 4 or 5 of these and put them on the board or the wall or the door. And then you put Post-it on the hand and write down the sight words you want to teach this week. So last time I taught be, as, they, are, of. Then when students come to your classroom, you say, everybody please read the sight word on the door. Then students have to read all of them, but doing high five like this. Be, as, they, are, of. Then they come to the classroom. When they finish the class, then they leave, right? It's time to check the sight words again. Then when they're leaving the classroom, they say, be, as, they, are, of. So the students can read at least 2 times in their classroom. The last game is who has and I have. I love this game because once you have this template, then you can make different types of words card. Like all these are sight words, but sometimes I use them for magic E words. Okay, now I will show you how to use them. You can just make the template or you can download. When you go to some sites for teachers that you can easily download for free. I downloaded, let's see. I downloaded those cards like this, and then print them out, laminate it because I want to use them over and over again. And I wrote down magic E words like grime, spin, grime, like this. So you give the cards to student, and then you start like this. I have grime. Who has grime? And then the student who has grime will tell that I have grime. Who has grade? Oh, I have grade. Who has grade? I have grade. Who has shake? Oh, I have shake. Who has shake? Like this. And then they put all the cards together and they read the cards together at least. Okay. Like this. You can also put the side words. The, and, is, you, that, and, of, was, to. So the first person says, oh, I have the. Who has and? The next person says, oh, I have and. Who has you? And another student says, oh, I have you. Who has of? So they can play the game with their group members. Like this. These are all free. I just downloaded from the website, TPT. Oh, so we went over 10 different activities today, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye.